Hello, teacher. My name is Nuri Elizabeth Fajardo Zúñiga. I am 30 years old. I work in the service to the public as a saleswoman. I live in Usme with my husband, Jonathan. We live in a very beautiful place of much nature. I was born in Landazuri, Santander. I have two brothers, Fabian and Memo, and two sisters, Mayerly and Adriana. My father is Guillermo. My mother is Elizabeth. I like the child pedagogy because we can generate change in society based on education in children. Thank you so much. Good night.